Dear people of the internet, I found this article titled The List of Trump's Forbidden Words That Will Get Your Paper Flagged at NSF, which describes how U.S. federal agencies are removing certain words from online documents to comply with Donald Trump's executive order eliminating DEI, diversity, equity, inclusion, from government operations. At the National Science Foundation, NSF, this has resulted in a list of forbidden words, including many diversity-related terms, that trigger a manual review to check if they relate to prohibited topics. Well, are you ready for the most forbidden paper possible? My colleague talked to the chatbot.
Write a brief academic essay in the style of a scientific paper, which uses the following list of words, each word at least once. Activism,
activists, advocacy, advocate, advocate.
Here's a concise academic-style essay that uses every word from your list at least once, structured like a scientific paper. Title: Enhancing Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, a multidimensional framework for addressing systemic barriers. Wow, wait. This is way too forbidden. I'd rather not read this out loud and hereby publicly distance myself from the content of this paper.
Well, okay. So now let's get an idea of the kind of scientific papers the Trump administration would love to read in the future.
Thank you. Here we go. Title: Trump, a multidimensional framework for addressing Trump. Abstract: This paper examines the intersection of Trump, and Trump reform in Trump within Trump. By analyzing the Trump to Trump, particularly those affecting Trump and Trump individuals, Trump and other Trump, we propose a Trump framework that promotes Trump, and Trump through Trump strategies. 1. Introduction. Trump initiatives have been shaped by Trump, led by Trump from Trump and Trump groups. These Trump challenge Trump structures, raise awareness of Trump, and promote policies that Trump of workplaces, schools, and public spaces. However, Trump and Trump access to opportunities remain persistent. Trump, whether Trump or explicit Trump, continue to trump people from Trump, creating Trump in Trump, education, and employment. 2. Trump to Trump. Trump to Trump often include Trump in access to resources, and Trump practices. Members of the Trump, and other Trump are often Trump in leadership roles, fostering Trump and Trump. People with Trump or any form of Trump may be Trump from full participation due to Trump systems and physical or Trump. Trump also persists, with Trump, and non-binary Trump frequently Trump. 3. Cultural and social dimensions. Trump is shaped by Trump, and Trump traditions, which must be recognized through Trump approaches. Trump, spanning Trump, and Trump, enrich societal discourse. However, Trump attitudes, and Trump can lead to Trump populations feeling a diminished Trump. This is compounded when Trump systems are Trump majority groups and maintain Trump for those in positions of Trump and social power. 4. Promoting Trump and Trump. Trump requires proactive Trump to Trump institutions and encourage the participation of Trump communities. Trump entails Trump in decision-making, Trump in recruitment, and creating Trump policies that support Trump, and Trump. Initiatives must address Trump in educational access, and Trump. Trump should include programs to Trump leadership pipelines, encourage Trump across Trump, and Trump of perspectives in Trump debates. 5. Addressing Trump and Trump. A commitment to Trump and Trump requires challenging Trump and Trump majority norms. Trump training can help Trump and institutions recognize Trump practices, disrupt Trump, and combat Trump. Efforts should also center on the unique needs of Trump populations, such as the Trump community, including Trump individuals, Trump members, and Trump in STEM fields. 6. Conclusion. By embracing a Trump approach that acknowledges Trump, and Trump, institutions can trump representation, promote Trump access, and support all individuals from Trump. Trump, and Trump are not only moral imperatives but also vital strategies for building a cohesive Trump and Trump society where every individual, regardless of Trump, or Trump, has a Trump and Trump.